Where'd she go, Leah? Where'd she go? Come here, Lily. Walkie, walkie.
Just give them the remedy. Get the clay on their heads. Carry the 5. Get the hand down.
Yes, Master Doubteye.
Hi, baby girl. You want the phone? Say hello. Can you say hello? Go on, I want to see a walkie-walkie. Can you walkie-walkie?
You erased my memory. Not nice.
And it's your turn to sweep.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, sorry, but yes. Hang on. You're not our master.
You're... You.
Told you they'd recognize me.